The Space Shuttle was a marvel of engineering and helped us build the ISS as well as maintain orbiting space telescopes like Hubble. The whole Space Transport System, STS, the official name, consisted of 2.5 million moving parts, and it launched from either Pad 39A or Pad 39B at the Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral. The shuttle took off like a rocket, and the orbiter landed like an airplane. When it landed, it did not use its main engines, but glided back to Earth and even used a parachute on the runway. Contrary to what most pictures suggest, the shuttle flew upside down and tail first most of the time in orbit to protect its crew from space debris and radiation. It had a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour and circled the Earth once every 90 minutes. The Space Shuttle docked with the Russian space station MIR 9 times and 36 times with the ISS. Several launches included military missions which are still classified today. A shuttle flight was not cheap. It cost $775 million in 2010. In a curious twist, the Space Shuttle program hit the headlines in 2002 when NASA searched the internet for old Intel 8086 chips because they were still being used in the Space Shuttle's diagnostic system to monitor the lateral boosters. The Sound Suppression System, SPS, used 1,100,000 litres of water. This was necessary to protect the Space Shuttle orbiter and its payloads from damage by acoustical energy reflection during launch. 7 seconds after launch, the Space Shuttle rolled to a heads-down orientation at an altitude of 110 metres, 350 feet, which reduced aerodynamic stress and provided an improved communication and navigation orientation. The Space Shuttle had very powerful engines, but without the two 45.46 metre high and 3.71 metres wide SRBs, the Space Shuttle could not have lifted off. The two SRBs constituted about 69% of the total liftoff mass and were separated after 2 minutes. The external tank separated from the shuttle after 8.5 minutes and continued to fly for about 45 minutes before entering the Earth's atmosphere, its fragments falling into the Pacific Ocean. 2 space shuttles were destroyed during their missions and 14 astronauts lost their lives. Thank you for your attention. Write in the comments how you like this new format.